Good morning, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar. Let's do the recap. Let's just rip off the band-aid. Let's get this over with, okay? Yeah, not a good day. Not a good day for me. Just kind of a perfect storm, to be honest. Overnight session had a massive move up, massive move higher, and basically I was expecting a pullback and then that we would rip higher, and I was very bullish on it. It's always dangerous when I do that, and it wasn't really that was the problem, but then when we made new lows here, I tried it. I tried a long here, which was kind of, first of all, a long right here isn't really it isn't part of my core strategy. But I was like, I'm going to try a long. I really felt like we were going to make a nice move. And I entered right here once we were above this 412 area. And it didn't just rip higher and break out like I wanted it to. It just kind of danced around a little bit, and I got scared. I thought there's a chance if we don't immediately rip through that we're going to fold over and make another leg lower. So I got scared. And I got out of the trade. And of course, you can see I literally got scared, and it literally ripped right up to my profit targets. So that's how my first trade went, and it was a little annoying. Then we had this big move lower, but this huge wick candle right here. And I decided, you know what? I'm going to try another long right here. This trade here, I'm not that upset about. I was bullish. I was looking for an entry. I was looking for a pullback to get in. So I'm not that upset about this trade. But we did. We took a big loss on it. But then after that kind of put me on the verge of tilt. And I was just pretty annoyed. I was pretty frustrated. And yeah, I got stopped out. Immediately after I got stopped out, the market started going higher. So I just jumped in again, got stopped out, and it started going higher again. And again, I went in. The last two trades was just me being annoyed, revenge trading, and paid the price. Both times got stopped out. Actually, I think the last one I did hit my first profit target right here. We actually did try to make a nice move here, and I mean, for those that were in the live stream, my comment was I had my stop below this level, and I was like, hey, I'm going to hold to see if we don't go test the highs again. And I guess I should have had my stop all the way down at the lows, because obviously we came down and now we are making a move higher, even though we are pulling back right now. So just annoyed, just an annoying session. Revenge trading, just not good trading by me. Now I want to give myself some props here, because a year ago, I would have not stopped trading, and I would have continued, and I would have gone on tilt, and there's a chance I would have been able to recover, but there is also a bigger chance that I would have blown all of these accounts a year ago. So the fact that I'm okay, I'm walking away for the day. I'm just walking away. Tomorrow will be another day. I think if there's anything that anyone needs to learn in day trading, the number one thing you need to be able to have the ability to do is to walk away from a red day when you're frustrated. Because if you don't have the ability to do that, you might have one time or two times that you recover an account, but it is inevitable that that type of mentality and that type of trading, you will blow your accounts eventually, 100% guaranteed. So it is very important to just walk away from a red day. Tomorrow, this won't look as bad. tomorrow, I always say tomorrow morning, all this red will disappear from my chart and it'll be starting at 0 again, and things won't look as bad as they do right now. Right now, it's not fun looking at this at a $600 loss per account, but this is basically my max loss per day per account that I have, and it is. Oh, I mean, obviously, I don't like it. Obviously, I'm not happy with it, but I'm willing to walk away from it and wait till tomorrow and go at it again. So, yeah, I guess that's my rant for the day. We got to walk away, and hey, we live, we learn. Tomorrow, I'm going to really focus on getting back to my core setups. I feel like yesterday, even when I was reviewing my trades from yesterday, I took a lot of trades, and even though some trades did work out, they weren't really my core setups. It was a little more willy-nilly trading yesterday, so I do need to be very careful when I start doing that. And I think yesterday it kind of started and then carried over into today. I just need to get back to trading with the trend and leave my bias at the door. Trade the trend, look for pullbacks, look for good entries. I know what my core strategy is. Focus on that. Focus on taking those trades and stay out of the mess, stay out of the chop, and don't chase. Don't try to predict breakouts, all the things that I know to do. So I'm going to focus on that tomorrow, kind of get back to my core of what I know works for me, and then just need to be more patient. So anyway, that's it for today. I do appreciate every one of you. Take care and God bless.